why you might not need a lawyer if you're in an accident and your car is wrecked, but you're not injured. This happens all the time. There's bad accidents. You think there's going to be bad injuries, but luckily there's not. So an accident happens, the driver's okay, but the car's wrecked and the car needs to get fixed. So how do you get the car fixed? Well, normally the insurance company for the driver that caused the accident is going to pay to get your car fixed in a perfect world. Well, sometimes that doesn't happen. So a lot of people think, well, I'll just call a lawyer and get it done. And a lawyer can push things along, but the downside is lawyers are not free. So you can either pay a lawyer hourly to do it, which gets expensive because lawyers charge hundreds of dollars an hour, or you can pay a lawyer on a contingency fee where they take, roughly about a third of the recovery. Well, the problem with both of those is that when you're in an accident and the damage is your car, the amount of money you're going to get paid is the amount of money it costs to repair the car, or if it's total, the actual cash value of the car. So when you're paying a lawyer, say a contingency, now you don't have enough money to fix your car anymore. So that's a problem. So what can you do? Well, if the insurance company for the driver who caused the accident is saying, we don't know who caused the accident, we're disputing fault, go get yourself a copy of the police report if it's available, give it to them, and then they'll be able to say, oh, okay, well, look, my guy's at fault, so we're going to have to pay. Good, that helps. Well, what if fault's not an issue, but they just seem to be dragging their feet? Well, if your own insurance has comp and collision on it, specifically comprehensive coverage on it, you can talk to your own insurance company and say, hey, look, this insurance company has to pay for the repairs. They're dragging their feet. I don't know why. Why don't you pay for my repairs? And then go chase them for the money that they owe. Go get your money back. That's called subrogation. You don't need to know that word, but that's kind of how it works. So that's kind of a second option. And a third option without hiring a lawyer is actually going to small claims court in your jurisdiction. And what you would do is make a claim against the at-fault driver. They would, of course, send that over to their insurance company, and the insurance company is going to go, well, we got to fight this. We have to hire a lawyer, or if they have staff lawyers, they do that. But again, it's going to cost them hundreds, thousands of dollars to deal with this. And if they know they have to pay anyway, that might just be what you need to light a fire under their butt and get your car repaired.